counted me out. They thought it was over, they thought I was finished, dog. Whole city jump behind me, now I get more racks than a tennis ball. And you know ain't no looking back. The streets brought the hustle out of me. I was sick of eating pot of meat. Ramen noodles all through the week. The struggle was ugly, made something out.
What it do, man? 78Chevyboi, we out here today. Big Penny got a little doctor's appointment, man. Nothing major. Finna do this cold start. I ain't crunking up since after my car show. I drove it, I think the day after, a couple days after my car show or something. So, cold start. Buzz right off. She buzzed right off.
Motivation to the
78Chevyboi, we back at the house, man. Like I say, Penny had a little checkup. She had a little checkup, man. Everything A-OK. Got my tuner to plug into it, man. Make sure everything running good. Everything good, man. Everything good. Yes, sir. Y'all see Big Girl, man. Real OG in the game, man. I had Penny since 2008, man. Since 2008. Add it up, man. Yes, sir. That's 18 years, man. I had Big Girl. A lot of this stuff been the same on this car, man, for a long time. Even the wheels. Wheels been the same since 2019, man. Real OG in the game. Staple in the box Chevy community, man. If they don't know about Penny, man, they really don't know about box Chevys. If they don't know about Penny, man. Real OG in the game. Big Penny, man. Hold on. Hold on 1 second. She's a 1987, but she got a 2017 heart. With a 2017 heart in it, man. LT 62. LT 62, man. Chevyboi, y'all stay humble, stay prayed up, stay out the way, man. Much love. Connecting, never competing. It's a movement, not a moment, man. Love.